Okay, you can't really tell here. This ladder does not extend 100%. So yeah, probably did before the carpet was installed. They probably installed this and then they installed the carpet. This is the upper attic we're going into. This is going to be the upper attic and the indoor air handler. See that screw right in that hole right there? It's not supposed to be screws. It's supposed to be screws. It's supposed to be nails. Nailing pattern. Huh. This ladder should have been insulated. They did all these jobs with the energy, and this is like a heat pump, a heat sink, excuse me. It's like a heat sink going into the attic. So it should have been insulated. Then, see that hole? It's for a nail. Open holes. Nail. Loose fill fiberglass insulation. Those are mouse trails running through there. Those are mouse houses. At one time we had soffit baffles around here to bring air into the attic. We no longer have those because we've added this radiant barrier. We're not supposed to have more than ½ inch sag. That's it. Got better examples. Okay, we can tell that's OSB decking. And we've got attic power vents. They cut holes in the radiant panel, which compromise that, and they added 2 power attic exhaust vents. Those are out of favor. Those vents will pull. Your soffit vents are all clogged up. Where's it going to get all the air? All this conditioned air is going to come out of here and go up through those power vents. Just saying. Rusty pan. I understand this has been replaced, what, in 2011. Rust might still be applicable. This is called a shallow P-trap. Some manufacturers don't like those. And it's supposed to be insulated. Air filter at. Think air is going to leak out of that? I do. This is a heat pump system, by the way. 20 by 20, 20 by 25 by 1. This is where you come up to replace your filters every year. Every month. Or whenever your technician or your manufacturer suggests. Without anybody's wiser knowledge, I recommend replacing the 1-inch air filters every month. So what do we... Oh! We do not have a care and use manual. And it's improperly suspended with perforated tape. They doubled it, but no. It's supposed to have solid tape. So what we learned? We learned that we got mice in our attic. We learned that we got sagging air duct. We learned that we got power vents on OSB. We learned that our indoor air handler's been improperly suspended. And we learned that there's a hole in the door right there. We also learned that it was manufactured in 2011. This is a heat pump system. And our air duct is laying on the floor. Not supposed to lay on the floor. See those ties? Don't need those when you're installing this stuff. That just got in the way, didn't it? Okay.